through phases with breakfast. Sometimes I just like toast, muesli, but right now I'm really into breakfast burritos. And this one is an absolute standout brekkie. I'm going to make smoked salmon and scrambled eggs burritos. So before we get onto our scrambled eggs, I just want to warm up a tortilla. Now you need large tortillas for this so you can wrap it up into a burrito. And I'm going to put my tortilla in the pan first just to warm up slightly. The reason I do this is just to ensure that that's going to be quite pliable when we wrap everything together. So that's really soft now, and we'll take that out. We'll just pop it to one side. All right, in a bowl, I'll crack a few eggs. So I'll add about 3 or 4 eggs. And you don't have to add cream if you don't like, but I really love that pillowy, velvety finish on my scrambled eggs. So I love the addition of some thickened cream. Good splash, and always seasoned, so a good pinch of salt. Okay, we'll break these up with a whisk to combine the cream, the yolks, and the egg whites. Fantastic. All right. Now in our pan, it's on that medium heat. I don't want it too hot or too cold for scrambled eggs. A little splash of oil and also some butter. And I'm just melting that butter so it coats the whole base of the pan. That should do it. Now while it's foamy like that, we'll add our eggs, scrape down the sides. And with scrambled eggs, you just want to wait for one moment before you start mixing everything together and bring in the sides. See how we've got those little handkerchief-like pockets of cooked egg. So bring that to the center and then swirl your pan. Allow that egg to set again. See how that looks way better. So then agitate the pan again for those last little bits. And this is where I take it off the heat. That's perfect in my eyes. To this, I'll add just a pinch of white pepper. And if you like a little heat, some Tabasco. So a few little drops of that. Okay. For a pop of colour and a mild onion flavour, finely chop the chives, about a tablespoon's worth. All right. We'll sprinkle that over our eggs, and with our spatula, fold that through. I don't want to cook those chives. So we'll just take them out, place them onto a plate for now. Great. Pop that back on the heat, and let's start rolling. So our warm tortilla onto a clean surface. We'll start with our egg and really fill it up. So this is enough for 2. And if you love bacon, add bacon, ham, or you can just leave it with the egg. I love the smoked salmon. It's just my go-to at the moment. So a few pieces of salmon. And now to roll it up, I like to bring in the sides, and then just with your pinkies, just tuck it in so we get that perfect cylinder. Nice and tight, and that's ready to go. Okay, let's just quickly toast this in the pan for a moment. We just want to toast it on each side for a few seconds. I'll grab a plate. I like to serve it with just a cheek of lemon. Pop that on the plate. And a few seconds on that side. Oh yeah, look at that toasty mark, that's what we're after. Out. And let's cut into this to have a look. Nice sharp knife. Ooh yeah, the perfect burrito. Takes no time at all to make. We'll pop that on the plate, pile it up, just squish it slightly, and better have a taste. A little squeeze of lemon. Now that's a wholesome breakfast right there. Gee, it's good.